Well done. And another wave, James. Let's give everybody another wave, a big wave.
As you can see, we have our Ceilidh Crew helper back today. And also, we're doing a little song that's about a dog called Toby. Exactly.
And it so happens Toby's here. This is Toby. And the song's called My Dog Toby.
So what do you think, James? What kind of ears does he have?
He has two floppy ears. And he has one waggly tail.
Exactly.
But remember, Alyssa, in Scots, that's 12 floppy ears and yin waggly tail. Whee!
My dog Toby has 12 floppy ears, yin waggly tail and 12 floppy ears. He's as happy as he can be as he plays in the snow all day. He goes wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, jump, jump, jump. Wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, jump, jump, jump. Wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, jump, jump, jump. As he plays in the snow all day. My dog Toby has 12 floppy ears, yin waggly tail and 12 floppy ears. He's as happy as he can be as he plays in the sun all day. He goes wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, as he plays in the sun all day. And my dog Toby has 12 floppy ears, one waggly tail and 12 floppy ears. He's as happy as he can be as he plays in the rain all day. He goes wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, shake, shake, shake. Wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, shake, shake, shake. Wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, shake, shake, shake. As he plays in the rain all day. My dog Toby has 12 floppy ears, yin waggly tail and 12 floppy ears. He's as happy as he can be as he plays in the wind all day. He goes wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, woof, woof, woof. Wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, woof, woof, woof. Wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, woof, woof, woof. As he plays in the wind all day.
Oh, my
Dog Toby has 12 floppy ears, one waggly tail and 12 floppy ears. He's as happy as he can be as he plays in the snow all day. He goes wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, jump, jump, jump. Wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, jump, jump, jump. Wiggle waggle, wiggle waggle, jump, jump, jump. As he plays in the snow all day.
High five, James. High five. Well done.
Well done, James. Thanks for helping.
Bye, everybody. And remember to like, subscribe, share, and get us seen to millions of people. Yay!
Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Bye. Oh, you're getting us flowers for our hair. Oh, thank you.
That's
such a good idea.
Lovely.